today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly incorporate a Google Maps location into your Microsoft Word document. This process is straightforward and can be done using just a few simple steps, perfect for enhancing a report, project, or any document where a visual representation of a location can add value. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Word file where you intend to insert the map image. Make sure your document is ready for the new addition by placing your cursor in the exact spot where you want the map to appear. This ensures that once you have your image ready, you can quickly insert it without needing to fumble around in your document. Now open your preferred internet browser and navigate to Google Maps. Google Maps is a fantastic tool for this task due to its comprehensive mapping features and ease of use. At this point, go ahead and type in the location you wish to incorporate into your document in the search bar. This could be an address, a landmark, or any geographical point of interest that supports your document's content. Once you've successfully located the place on the map, you should take a moment to adjust the map view until it's perfectly aligned to capture the information and the level of detail you deem necessary. You might want to zoom in or out, switch between map or satellite view depending on your needs, and generally ensure that what you're about to capture fully serves its intended purpose in your document. Having set the stage, it's time to take a screenshot. This part is crucial as it turns the view from Google Maps into an image that you can insert into Word. On most computers, this can be done with a quick keyboard shortcut. On Windows, you might use the snipping tool or snip in Sketch. On a Mac, you could use Command plus Shift plus 4 to capture a selected portion of your screen. Make sure the screenshot includes everything you want to display in your document without any unwanted elements. With your screenshot ready, return to your Microsoft Word document. You'll paste the map image directly into your document where you previously placed your cursor. Simply use the paste command either by right-clicking and selecting Paste or using the keyboard shortcut Control plus V on Windows or Command plus V on a Mac. Your map image should now appear exactly where you want it. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully inserted a Google Maps location into your Microsoft Word document. This quick and simple technique can add a lot of depth to your documents by providing a visual contextual element. It's perfect for presentations, reports, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know if there are other topics you'd like us to cover.